Hey, what's up? It's Jamie. I want to take a moment to give a quick shout out to a piece of gear I didn't expect to love as much as I do, the SAKK. This thing has become a staple in my kit, and I honestly don't go to shoots without it anymore. I spent a ton of money upgrading equipment in 2025, cameras, lenses, steadicam support gear, tripods, focus systems, all of it. And dollar for dollar, the SAKK ended up being the biggest winner in terms of cost versus usefulness. It's awesome for quick camera support and stabilization in all kinds of environments, especially when you need something steady without the time or space to set up a steadicam, gimbal, or tripod. It works great for static shots, slight movements, low angles, and uneven ground. Basically anywhere a traditional support would slow you down. I keep the SAKK right next to my tripod, so if I'm filming something from a static position, but I need to go run over and grab some handheld shots of some event or whatever really quick, I can take my camera off my tripod, put the SAKK on, run over. I have support to be able to shoot whatever handheld I can, and then once I get back to my tripod position, I just throw the SAKK on the ground, put the camera back on the sticks, and I'm ready to keep shooting on sticks. I also love being able to set the camera down safely without worrying about it tipping over or getting damaged. The cameras I'm shooting with are tens of thousands of dollars, and having a nice little pillow to just set the camera down, especially when you're on location in rocks and dirt and all that kind of stuff, it's amazing to have because it's a little bit extra protection when you're already in some crazy environments. The pockets are surprisingly useful too. You can fit lens caps or small snacks or tools or batteries or whatever you need and carry them with you so they're right there when you need them. Lastly, if there's a moment to grab a break, the SAKK actually even doubles as a really nice pillow as well. Hands down, this was my unexpected highlight purchase of 2025. It's simple, low-tech, reliable gear that just works and has earned a place on all of my shoots. Definitely check out the SAKK. I think you can get them right now for like $160. You won't be disappointed, as I highly recommend it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.